microphone in here.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Labor Day weekend rocket day. I've got some special guests here. I've got Sheldon Bird and Karen Thomas. They're going to be guest presenters today. And we have actually packed the bleacher with an individual gazing from our extensive bleacher array. And that's Brad. So, what we're going to do is the usual setup. We're going to start with the smallest rockets. We're going to go up to the biggest rockets. I know we didn't make it last time, but we do have an F ready to go. We'll see if we can get to that today. We are testing out a brand new way to mount motors that helps dissipate heat. Can't really see the difference, but it will make a difference on recovery. So, if we're ready to go, are we?
We are ready to go.
We're going to start introducing the rockets and sending them up. All right, here we go.
Hi, this is our first rocket for the day. It's called Micro B. It has a B engine. It has 5 newtons per second of force and is expected to go 400 feet.
That's right. And this is the kind of rocket we use to see if our launch pad's facing the right way. Because it's light, it'll be affected by the wind. So we know if we have to make some adjustments. So let's mount it up.
3, 2, 1. Up there with the Eagles.
Straight up.
And it's deployed. Oh, it's separated.
It's separated, yep.
Yeah. Boom. That one's back.
Streamer's going to come to you too, Karen. No, it's going to go in the woods.
That's all right.
Next, weighing in at 74 grams with a 9 Newton second engine, a C6 engine, we have Windsock.
Beautiful. Here we go.
Windsock on 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Oh, it deployed. Looks like it's separated though.
Yeah.
Is it ballistic?
No.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that's... Oh, there it is.
There it is.
All right, it's separated again.
Second separation, so it
Boom.
seems like if you know if there weren't separation, it'd come down like here.
Yeah, that's what it's meant to do.
So the ballistic drops it there, and the wind takes the stream.
Right.
Lost the stream. Our next rocket is the Hornet. It is a C6, 9 newtons per second of force, and is expected to go 775 feet.
Cool. Let's see how she goes. Hornet.
And the Hornet is ready to go in 3, 2, 1. Nice vertical.
Yeah.
I heard the shoot, I think.
It's together.
I can't see it.
It's not terrific. It's ballistic now. Oh, it's been interrupted.
Boom, right
There she is, right there. Didn't? Oh, it's a freaking plane.
Next we have the Sawfly coming in with a C12 engine at 10 Newton seconds. 700 foot is the shot, and we hope she goes well.
So one of the things that's been happening to these rockets is because of the engine being very hot, it melts through and fuses to the inside of the rocket. So what I've done here is I have an engine insert, which is meant to give air between the inner tube and the outer tube to create a little radiator and to help protect the bulk of the rocket from the heat. Didn't work very well the last one. Hopefully it'll work this time. So we didn't get a chance to talk about the flaw, where underneath here there's a set screw. I didn't provide enough material, so the screw is only held in by a couple of threads, and I think that's what's happening. So all right, I've remedied that for the future, but let's see how Sawfly works.
Well,
3, 2, 1.
Oh, no. I lost it. There it is.
Yep, it's going to deploy.
It's trying to deploy.
It's coming right back to us.
It's right. Watch your head, Sheldon.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Oh, Karen, for crying out loud! Nice catch!
So the chute didn't unfold. Everything worked normally, but the chute
Yeah, that was great! Make it.
This is the Andromeda. It is a D20.
Yep.
14 Newton seconds. And we are expecting it to go 1,000 feet.
Oh man. All right, let's see how she does. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
That's no 1,000 feet.
No, something bad happened, Sheldon.
See that? Chute deployed.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Oh man.
Oh.
Almost!
So close.
So as Sheldon quite correctly pointed out, that did not go 1,000 feet. In fact, the motor behaved very erratically and expended its energy very quickly, so something must have gone wrong.
Hi, this is the Darner Fly with a D20 engine, 13 Newton seconds of force, and we expect it to go 800 feet.
Fantastic. And yes, it's taller and skinnier, so let's see if it behaves properly.
3, 2, 1.
It's just not opening. Huh. Just didn't open. Damn.
All right, this is Nebula, 14 Newton seconds of force with a D20 engine, and we expect it to go 750 feet.
All right, these D's have been very erratic, haven't they, Karen?
They have indeed.
Let's see how it goes. All right, here we go.
All right, this is the sister of Andromeda, Nebula. On 3, 2, 1. That was a good charge.
Yeah, that was more like it.
Come on, parachute. Open up, baby.
I think we're gonna get that back. Everything is working properly.
There's a chute.
The chute deployed correctly. Karen is in position for a snatch. Oh, it just
almost.
picked up a little gust right before
That's
she
the
was
best
able to
launch
get
today.
it. Wow, that one was good.
That's the best launch today. And here we have Shar. She's got a D22 engine. She weighs in at 20 Newton seconds. She's supposed to go 1,100 feet.
Yeah.
Shar.
Sure. Let's see how she goes. Here we go.
Shar is ready to go in 3, 2, 1. Oh.
It's ballistic. It's not popping. Oh, it popped. Woo!
All right.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, it's down in the lower field.
Was that the sound of water?
No, I think it hit the fence.
I think it hit the fence. Yeah, it hit the fence. Wow.
I just don't know. Hello, we have here Callisto for the 3rd time, a D22 engine, 20 Newton seconds of force, and an expected flight of 960 feet.
Wow, third time for Callisto. You can see that not every piece of Callisto is the same as the last time because it had some breakage, but we filled in the parts and it's ready to go again.
3, 2, 1.
Little squirrely. Ooh,
Very good.
it deployed.
Very good.
Yeah.
Still gonna need more.
Yeah, fun. I think that's gonna be in a tree. God damn.
You're gonna need more angle. Oh, too bad, Callista.
That's the parachute I'm worried about.
Yeah. So you haven't, you need to double your angle.
Okay.
All right, we're getting a little larger now. This one is called Sounding. She has a D22 engine. She goes 19 Newton seconds.
Nice. Probably go about 600 feet. Let's see what happens.
3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh.
Well, there's that.
Uh-oh.
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 Oh no.
That was definitely squirrely.
That was unideal. We'll just go check that out later.
Hi, this is Kuiper. 27 Newton seconds of force. E26, our first E of the day. Expected to go 1,100 feet.
Oh my goodness, will we ever see it again?
Ready on 3, 2, 1. Why
Wow.
are they doing that?
Oof.
Oh, nice.
All right, that's good. The wind should bring it here.
Yeah, that worked out good.
Good, it's good.
Deployed properly. Oh, Karen's bedding out of the blocks and she's
It's almost coming at me.
yeah.
Karen, it's over here. I think.
Yeah, I got it right here.
All right, Brad will catch this one.
Oh, come on down. Fall faster. Oh, it's gonna go into the trees at this rate. Come on, faster, come down. Come down.
That's good wind. Swirling, swirling.
Oh no, come on down, baby.
All right.
Oh man.
Amazing.
What's better than that?
Here I have Helios with an E35 engine, 40 Newton seconds of force, and an expected flight of 1,100 feet.
You'll also notice that it's been launched before and successfully returned. Let's see if we get anything like that today.
And Helios is ready to go in 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Wow.
That's a nice launch right there.
Oh, he has deployed. Oh man, it's not coming down fast enough, I don't think. Maybe.
There's the chute.
There's the chute, yeah.
There it is over there, yeah. Going that way. Going that way fast.
Come back.
Well,
come
it's
back.
getting blown around. If I stand right here, I might get it.
Oh yeah, no, it's coming.
We're good.
There are all kinds of funny currents.
Come
Yes,
back,
there are.
baby,
Funny,
come
funny
back.
currents up there. Yep, just got blown back.
Oh, the trees are like magnets, for Christ's sakes.
Oh, that's okay.
We're not gonna get that one back.
So,
Not till after the winter.
brave Helios, wake up your steed. We have an F-20 engine. We have 62 Newton seconds. We expect this one to go 1,300 feet on the F-20.
Let's hope.
Helios XL.
Here we go.
Brave Helios goes in 3, 2, 1.
Wow, man.
See, it didn't go far enough that way.
Oh, it didn't.
It's still cheating. We want to go more that way.
Yeah.
More towards the school.
That one went way up there.
Yeah, that was a beauty.
Here it comes.
I've lost it.
I got it, and it's, well, it's doing good things and bad things.
Yeah, there's eddy currents up there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming back.
Oh, I see it.
Oh man, it's gonna end up right in that same tree.
No, it's not.
The tree has got a magnet on it.
Come back.
Come back!
It's coming back. We're gonna get it.
Come back! Come back! Damn it!
I can't get him to aim him more that way.
All right, everybody, that's been another reasonably successful rocket day. We did get to launch that big F rocket. It's the largest one we've ever done. It ended up in a tree. We're gonna go now and clean up our mess, make sure we don't leave any traces of this rocket launch. And I wanna say special thanks to good old Sheldon Bird over here. Did you have a good time, Sheldon?
I did, and we're biodegradable, Doug.
Oh yes, we use polylactic acid, which is mostly biodegradable. And we had a special guest presenter, Karen Thomas, and the bleachers were chock-a-block with audience members, ladies and gentlemen.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, so obviously I shouldn't tell you that you're gonna see this on YouTube because you will be seeing it on YouTube. Bye.
Filling
Bye.
bleachers over here.
Filling them.